Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to continue 6.4 exercise. In 6.4 exercise, in question number 1 and 2, we have learned the long division method of finding out the square. So dear students, now we are going to find out the square of a decimal number. So now question number 3 is find the square root of the following. Find the square root of the following decimal. Now decimal numbers are there. So once again let me tell you dear students, the rule which I taught you in the very beginning of also, always start making the pairs from the decimal. When the decimal is not given to us, I told you to place the decimal at the end of the number. But now in this question the decimal is always given to us. It is 2.56. So we will make the decimal. Because now the digits are lying on both the sides of the decimal. Left hand side also, right hand side also. So dear students, now we will make the pairs from the decimal towards right hand side and towards left hand side separately. We can't make a pair of two digits on either side of the decimal. मैं 25 का पेयर नहीं बना सकती क्योंकि 2 लेफ्ट साइड पर है, 5 राइट पर है. तो हमें क्या करना होता है, हमें पेयर डेसिमल से स्टार्ट करना है. डेसिमल से राइट की तरफ पेयर बनाने स्टार्ट करेंगे और डेसिमल से लेफ्ट की तरफ. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मेरे पास नंबर है, मान लेते हैं 378.412, तो एंड वन मोर से 5 लाइक दिस. तो बच्चे हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डेसिमल. डेसिमल से राइट की तरफ इस तरफ को जाएंगे और इधर को जाएंगे. सो फर्स्ट पेयर towards right hand side is 41 and second is 25. From this way it is first pair is 78, second is it is alone, we can place a 0 here. और अगर यहाँ पर अकेला डिजिट कोई रह जाता है, मान लेते हैं 6 है, तो डेसिमल के पीछे एंड में लगाई जाती है 0, और अगर बिफोर डेसिमल है डिजिट्स तो स्टार्टिंग में लगाई जाती है 0 टू कंप्लीट द पेयर. ओके, सो नाउ let us start solving the first part of this question. So let us write in this form as I told you earlier. 2.56 is the number. So we will start making the pairs from the decimal. One pair towards right hand side, second pair towards left hand side. Single digit is there, so we'll take 0, 2. Now as I told you, we have to start with square numbers. The first pair is 2. So here are the square numbers. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. But our number is 2. We have to take either exactly 2 or less than 2. Less than 2 is 1, means we will take 1 square. So we will write 1. 1s are 1. So then subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. यहाँ आपको बताया था मैंने, I told you add the same digit. 1 plus 1 is 2 and a dash. Right? Now next is, now after this pair decimal is there. Before carrying forward the next pair, we have to place the decimal in the answer also. So next pair, carry the pair 156. 156 is the pair. Now I told you that the digit, whatever digit we use here, we will multiply the number with the same digit. If I'll take 0, I'll multiply 20 with 0. If I'll take 1, it will become 21, then I'll multiply it by 1. 21 ones are 21. And as this is the last pair, we can judge 6. 6 किस किस के स्केयर में आता है देखो, 4 के स्केयर में और 6 के. So we can take either 4 or 6. Let us check. Let us check in rough. 2, 4. If I am taking 4, I have to multiply it by 4. 4 4s are 16, 8, 9. No, let us try with 6. 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 2 are 12 and plus 3, 156. Yes. So our number is 156. So let us take 6 with 2. So 26 6 are 156. So the remainder is 0. So what is the square root of 2.56? Students, we can't read it as 2.56. No, this is 2.56 and its square root is 1.6. So I hope it is clear to you. Now again, let us read it out. Always start making the pairs from the decimal. Let us solve the third part now. Let us first make the pairs from the decimal towards the right hand side, 84, towards left hand side, 51. Now 51, let us check which square can solve it. 51. 51, yes, 49 because 64 is greater, we can't take it, we will take 49. 7 7s are 49. So we will write 7 7s are 49. So subtract it, we'll get 51 minus 49 is 2. Now decimal is there, place a decimal in the quotient, carry the next pair, it is 84. Now decide the next divisor. I told you to get the next divisor, add the same digit, 7 plus 7 is 14, place a dash, blank. Now as this is the last pair, so we can judge it by its ones digit, it is 4. 4 किसके स्केयर में आता है? 2 का स्केयर is 4 and 8 स्केयर is 64. We can try with both. 2 से कर सकते हैं. If I'll place 2, तो let us check with 2. 142 multiplied by 2. 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. 284, yes. So we'll take 2. 284. So remainder is 0. So square root of 51.84 is 7.2. 7.2. So is it clear to you? Now let's move on to fifth part. Dear students, try the second part yours. I have done first part. Now third, second is your homework. Now here is fifth part. So again, very first step, always start making the pairs from the decimal. So let us, decimal के right hand side में अलग pair बनाना है, left में अलग. So the first pair is 31. Let us check from the square numbers. 31. 31 is greater than 25 and smaller than 36. We'll take the smaller one. 5 square is 25. So we will take 5 5s are 25. So subtract 31 minus 25 is 6. Decimal is there. Place a decimal in the quotient. Carry the next pair. Now decide the next divisor by adding the same divisor in the previous one. 5 plus 5 is 10 or dash. Again, as this is the last pair, we can judge it by its unit digit. It is 6. 6 comes in the square of 4. 4 square is 16. 6 comes in the square of 6. 6 6 is 36. So let us check with both. Let us check with 6 as it is quite greater. So if we'll take 6, we have to multiply it by 6. 6 6 is 36. Carry 3. 6 0s is 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 1s are 6. So we have to take 6. If we are taking 6, we have to multiply the number by 6 also. So we'll get exactly 0 remainder. So what is the square root of 31.36? It is 5.6. It is 5.6. So dear students, I hope it is clear to all of you. Is it clear to all of you? So try second and fourth part yourself in the same way. Understood? For the rough work, make a separate column. Okay.